guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, what we're going to be doing today is I have a Dollar Tree haul. My Dollar Tree hasn't been that great for a while, but I went to another one and it seems to be doing pretty well, a lot better than most of the others. And I'm going to stop by again pretty soon because this Dollar Tree had some fall items out. Now trust me, I know we are in the middle of just heat and summer, but fall's going to be here before you know it. I'm not going to start DIYs yet, but I want to get prepared and I want to let you know what I found. My Dollar Tree just had fall floral, that's all they had. So I didn't get much from that because I already have a lot. So let me show you what I found, okay? And this is in no particular order. I picked up two of these ropes, nautical ropes. I picked up 2 bunches of this for a DIY that I'm going to have coming up relatively soon. And then I picked up some of this foam brushes. I love these from the Dollar Tree because you get the wider ones and the more narrow ones, and that is not bad. You get a pack of 8, and that's pretty good for $1. And then one of you suggested that when I'm doing my painting to just get a plastic tablecloth from the Dollar Tree. And I was in there and I saw this one, and I think it's really pretty. It's soothing, it's calming. It wouldn't really, I don't think, conflict with whatever I'm making. So I picked this up. I'm going to try to use this, okay, and I love that. Then, like I said, they did have fall out, so I picked up 2 bunches of this really pretty fall garland. I just love fall. It just warms my heart so much to see fall. I love the colors, I love the sights, I love the smells, I love everything about fall, okay? Then I picked up one of these little wire baskets. I'm going to use it as a trash can in my craft room. I think it will be perfect for that, okay? And then I don't remember seeing these in my Dollar Tree before. They're like ceramic, and they just look like those really pretty decorative orbs. So I got this one. I love this mustardly gold. I think it's so pretty. And then they had this blue one. Not too crazy about the blue color, but I mean, it's pretty nice. I picked that up. And then this burgundy one. They all look alike except for the color, but I think they're not bad. You can see how big they are. Okay, so I just picked up 3 of those. And then I saw these little desktop organizers, and you get 2 to a pack. And I thought this would be so neat to put in my craft room and like put any little beads or little stones that I have, anything like that. So I picked up 2 of these, and I got the purple lids. I think they had blue lids, purple lids, and I don't remember the other color. And then I saw this in the sticker aisle. I've been kind of dry with my Dollar Tree as far as stickers go. Let me know if you're able to find some pretty ones in your Dollar Tree. But this just said family, and it had the clock and the heart and the little birdhouse. I just thought it was adorable, so I picked this up. And then I picked up apples. You cannot beat Dollar Tree's faux like vegetables or fruit. I mean, they're beautiful. So I picked up the fruit, the apples. They had red and they had green, and I got red and green. I got 3 of the red. Makes me want to eat an apple. Oh no, I got 4 of the red. And then I picked up 4 of this really pretty green. It just makes you hungry, doesn't it? And then the last thing I picked up, this isn't a really big haul, was I saw these pencil cases, and you get 2 for $1. And I love the donuts and the coffee. I just think that is so pretty and cheerful and happy. And then this goes with it. So I really like, you can't go wrong. And it's like that, like a that nylon kind of stuff that wipes away. So I think it will be really good if you would spill anything on it. Not that I'm planning on, but I just thought these were adorable. So I thought I would hop on here and let you know that and you probably already know this from other people, but Dollar Tree is starting to bring out some of their fall, and if you don't get what they first come out with, it'll sell out and then you may not see it back, and I don't want you to miss out. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.